Well, hello everyone. I hope you're doing well and you have a nice day, evening, or even night if you watching this on the morning. Good morning. And welcome to my YouTube channel again. So, if you watch my last video, that video was about uh, a folding knife what I made, and that was actually my first folding knife what I ever done. And if you remember, I said on the last video that I going to do another one, another folding knife because I really like that project. I've been doing years and years a normal knives, all different kind of knives and blades, but that folding knife was my first folding knife. And because that was so fascinating project, I made another folding knife. And it's a little bit different folding knife what that last one was. The last one was it has a locking mechanism. This is a regular slip joint knife, so there are no locking mechanism except of course it stay up, but there is that spring what push that blade on its place. But yeah, um, this is also different shape than the last one and different materials. I made this one. This blade is spring steel, and also that spring what is here, it is spring steel also. And yes, there is a brass blades inside the handle, and the handle is, maybe you can guess on the name of this video, Mr. Moose. I named this Mr. Moose because I made this handle blades on moose antler. I have plenty of moose antlers. Some of them are antlers what I've been finding on the forest, and other ones I just buy because I use them a lot for knife handles and all kind of handcrafts what I do. Uh, I like the surface of antler, and this is like end or start. How you going to say that? It's mm, where the antler starts. It's like that antler crown. What is stick in the moose head when the antler is on its place on the moose head. So this is the first, uh, hmm, well, lower piece of that antler. Sorry about guys, I don't speak super good English. I don't remember every word. Hope you understand. But yeah, these both pieces are on same antler and they fit pretty well. Of course, they are not perfect symmetrical because nature rarely do something what is really symmetrical. But it doesn't bother me. This fits really well on hand, and this is little bit smaller than the last one what I made, and more like a pocket knife. And this is also much much lighter. The last one there was a lot of brass, so it's really heavy. Yeah, and I made my own solution how to open this blade. Like you see, there is a brass pin also stick into the blade. And someone, I don't remember what to call these have a specific name, but I call these pins also. uh, Other pins are stick onto the place by screw, but I did this a little bit different way. I drilled the hole. Excuse me, my camera don't focus. Sorry about that. Come on. Okay. Now it's focusing. No, it's not focusing. Okay. There you see that brass pin. I drill a hole on this blade, 2.5 millimeters wide and also 2.5 millimeters wide, that part on that brass pin what I stick on that hole on the blade. And then same way I hammer these on the like shape of the mushroom. I did same thing on this pin, but I sanded on the same um, so it doesn't stick up there. This is completely smooth. I I like it, even I say that myself, but it works pretty well. You can just open it there. And yeah, same way. There is of course this is stainless steel pin, and these two ones are brass. Uh, One thing what I noticed was a little bit problematic is that the blade, the sides of the blades are like a same thickness all around, and this rail where the blade goes when you close the knife, it's of course the same wide. So when I put it there, it gets stuck. It gets really stuck. And now I understand why almost every folding knife this blade angle is made it all up here, so it more mm, ah, thick, tight. How do you say that? Oh my gosh, sorry guys. But yeah, I learned the thing why this blade angle is made it all the way up here. Then it doesn't get stuck here. And I noticed that after I finish this knife, so what I have to do, well, I already do that. I opened this rail. I sanded on the drilling machine. I put the grinding disc, what was really thin, yes, thin, and I opened this rail little bit so it doesn't touch side of the blade. So now it's working pretty well and it doesn't get stuck there. You always learn something new, and that was all about this to make folding knives. You learn new things. But yeah, I'm pretty happy about this, especially this handle material, that moose antler. That was really nice material. And yeah, and like I say, this is a slip joint, so that was also a little bit challenging to put that spring the way that it push the blade all the time, like put the tension of the spring. That was really interesting, and it was a little bit difficult, at least the first time when I tried that kind of thing. But it works out. Mm, yeah, yeah. I don't know what else to say. It's really late evening here, but I really want to finally do this video. It's about a week ago when I get ready this knife. So I wanted to show this to you guys. And tell me about comments what you liked. Like this knife or you don't like this knife. And maybe some tips how to do things other way or whatever. Hmm. Well, thank you if you watched the video. If you liked, push the like button. Give me a comment if you like. And I hope you good day, evening, whenever you watch this video. And let's see the next one. Bye bye.